Loading and unloading objects can be a significant burden on the musculoskeletal system, so improvement must be made in the performance of these kinds of tasks. Max Prime is operated by the SGPR system, which automatically responds to the weight of an object and keeps the loading point at the height of a worker's waist, thus eliminating the burden on the musculoskeletal system. This ergonomic function can improve productivity by more than 30% and dramatically improve the working environment. Max Prime can be very useful for warehouses, production sites, and markets where loading and unloading are repeatedly done using a pallet. Max Prime proves its worth, especially when you can't use a forklift. Now, let's look at how Max Prime works. Max Prime can control the load range from 0 to 700 kilograms, which is displayed on the left and right gauge panels for easy viewing and adjustment. Max Prime can easily adjust the width of the guide frame and forklifts according to pallet types for effective and safe loading and unloading jobs. You can move Max Prime forward and backward with the lever after pulling the handle. And you can raise or lower the forklift with the up and down buttons. When loading, release the pressure and place the forklift at the bottom. Then, pull the handle and push the lever on the handle in order to move it forward and to insert the pallet onto the forklift. Press the weight adjustment button to set the weight of an object to be loaded. Now, the objects are loaded and moved down to the height of a worker's waist without the need for him to bend over. After loading is completed, move the fully loaded pallet to a desired location and press the descent button to release the pressure. Move backward when the forklift is lowered to the floor. When unloading, first release the pressure and place the forklift at the bottom. Insert the fully loaded pallet onto the forklift by pushing the lever and press the weight adjustment button to set the weight of the load. When objects are being unloaded, it moves upward according to the set weight, causing no burden on the waist and shoulders. OKO makes your job so much safer and easier. OKO.